Meaning of hearse.
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 Hearse. A hearse is a vehicle used to transport a coffin or casket containing the deceased during a funeral procession. Typically, hearses are black and have a long body with a compartment for the coffin and space for flowers. The word hearse comes from the Old French word hearse, meaning a large framework or harrow, which was used to support candles or a pall over a coffin. Hearses have been used for centuries and remain an important part of funerals today, serving as a solemn reminder of the deceased and symbolizing the end of life's journey.